Shape is one way to summarize information in a data set to quickly describe what values are more or less common. And in today's lesson, we're going to look at the shape of a histogram. Symmetric means that, if we cut it down the line, the left side would match the right side. And the heights of 12-year-olds would have a symmetric shape. It's just like for a 12-year-old to be a certain number of inches below average height and above height, right? So here, like most 12-year-olds are here, but right, we have some that are shorter, some that are taller. A standardized test, most students score close to what's average, right? So back in my day, a C would be what was the average score. And then they would use this model to assign what a B, A would be. But data sometimes is not symmetric. Sometimes it's skewed. Skewed left kind of looks like if your foot, your left foot, if you look at your left foot while you're sitting down, skewed left is the same idea where it's like the data has a hump and then the tail is in the left, right? Just like your little pinky toe. So it's this idea where for the most part the data lives on the right side, but you have just a few things that make it a little on the left side, something a little smaller. So the number of teeth that adults have in their mouths would be skewed left or have a low outliers. Most adults will have close to a full set of 32 teeth, but some who don't have good oral hygiene have less than that, right? All right, skewed right, it's if you look at your right toe, it's the same idea, like your right foot sitting down, like looking from above. It's this idea that you have a tail on the right side, which means that for the most part, most of the data is over here, but you have some values that are pretty large. Age when a woman is in the U.S. gives birth would be a skewed right? Most women give age, before the age of 34, right? But then we have some women who are giving, birth well beyond their 40s. And the average age, according to this slide, is 26. A data set of earnings always shows the right skewness, right? Yeah, like for the most part, everybody in the building makes the same, but some administrators make a lot more than some teachers. So it's the same thing. It's where the boss of the company makes a lot more than most of the workers, right? That's skewed right.